Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Calendly with Framer. This is a fantastic way to add scheduling functionality directly to your Framer website, making it seamless for visitors to book appointments without leaving your site. Let's dive into the process. First, head over to framer.com and open up your project. Once you're in your Framer workspace, look toward the top of the screen and click on Insert. This is where you'll find all the different elements you can add to your design. In the search bar that appears, type Embed. This tool is essential for bringing external content like Calendly into your Framer site. From the search results, go ahead and click on Embed. This will place an embed block onto your canvas, which acts as a container for the Calendly scheduler we'll be adding shortly. Don't worry about positioning it perfectly just yet, we'll come back to that. Now switch over to Calendly in a new tab or window. Once you're logged into your Calendly account, locate the scheduling event you want to embed on your Framer site. Next to your event, you'll see 3 dots. Click on those. A menu will pop up with several options. From this menu, select Add to Website. This is where Calendly provides you with the embedding options you need. You'll be presented with different embedding styles. For this integration, click on Inline Embed. This option displays your Calendly scheduling page directly within your Framer site, creating a smooth, integrated experience for your visitors. After selecting Inline Embed, click Continue to move forward. Calendly will now generate the embed code for you. Click Copy Code to copy it to your clipboard. Make sure you've copied the entire code, as leaving any part out will prevent the integration from working properly. Head back to your Framer project and click on the embed block you placed earlier. With the embed block selected, turn your attention to the right side panel where you'll see customization options. Look for the section labeled Embed. By default, it might be set to a URL field, but you need to click HTML instead. This switches the embed type to accept raw HTML code. In the HTML field that appears, paste the embedded code you copied from Calendly. As soon as you paste it, you should see your Calendly scheduling interface appear within the embed block on your canvas. You can now resize and position this block anywhere on your page to fit your design. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated Calendly with Framer, giving your website visitors an easy way to schedule time with you directly from your site. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.